Welcome! In front of me I have a Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this device. To force restart this device, simply press and hold the home button and keep holding it until the device turns off. It will take about 10 to 15 seconds, I believe. So let's press and hold the home button, keep holding it. And once the screen goes black, it turns off, you can release the button, and now, as you can see, the watch is turned off. And to turn it back on, simply press and hold the home button again. And once you see the home screen, the current watch face, you can release the button, and that's how you force restart this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.